Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. This is part 2 of the COVID-19 series regarding real estate, and this one in particular is regarding the interest rate. So you may have heard by now that the Fed has reduced interest rate to 0%. So you must be thinking, oh my goodness, has the rates gone down? What if I wanted to buy? What if I wanted to sell? Now all those are very good questions. Hopefully, by watching this video, I'll be able to give you some insight on what you should do, and hopefully be able to save you some money, and perhaps you can buy more toilet paper. Or maybe stocks. I think that's a better use of your money. Alright, on to serious business. So are rates down? Well, yes and no. Let me start with this. Today is March 19, 2020. Now, I'm pointing this out because the interest rates have been very volatile lately. Lenders are reporting that rates have shot up today and that they're only able to hold it for 30 to 45 minutes. Now, regularly during regular times when it wasn't so chaotic, lenders could hold the rate for you all day long while you decide whether or not you want to lock it in. So now you're wondering, why are the mortgage rates up when the Fed just reduced the interest rates? Well, the rates are up because the rates were down at the beginning of March so that everybody rushed out to get their houses refinanced. And now lenders are backlogged with a ton of refinances. And then the whole coronavirus thing happened. Well, it's happened, but now suddenly politicians have decided that it might be real. So all the investors have pulled out all their money, sold off all their assets, and no one is buying these mortgage-backed securities. In short, there's just not enough money on the market right now to fund purchases or refinances. And as you know, when demand goes up, prices go up as well. If you're still here watching this video, I'm going to guess you're either a buyer or seller, or if you're thinking of refinancing an existing home and you want to know what to do. Let me start with the homeowner who wants to refinance, because this is the simplest of the bunch. And in short, just wait. Really, that's all you're doing. Just wait. Now, I'm saying this because you're probably sitting at 4% interest rate, and right now we're at about 3.7. And in a couple of months, we may settle near the low threes. So it really doesn't help you very much to refinance right now and then have to do it 6 months later. So if you really want to get on top of this, my suggestion to you is to prepare your tax statements and your pay stubs. Get them ready. And also come April, some lenders may start asking you for 2019 tax returns. So while you're stuck at home, maybe now is a good time for you to get your tax prepared. If you're a buyer, prepare. Right now is the best time to get pre-approved. Now, if you want more reasons as to why you should get pre-approved, check out my other video on the J. Wong Homes channel on YouTube. I'll give you 5 very good reasons to do so, so take a moment and please check that out. Ideally, in a perfect world, you do want to find your perfect home while finding the lowest interest rate. But realistically, you're asking for too much. It's sort of like trying to buy that stock at its lowest price and then selling at its peak. But luckily for you, since this is real estate, you can always refinance to a lower rate later. Beginning of the year, we were in the low 4s. Now I anticipate us going into the low 3s. So with the 1% difference, just to give you some numbers, if you were to borrow $500,000, that 1% would save you about $100,000 over the course of a 30-year mortgage. Now, if you were looking to borrow $1 million, that doubles. So 1% will effectively save you about $200,000. And that's a lot of money. If you're looking to sell or sell and then buy, my advice to the buyers still apply to you. The only caveat for you is previously, under normal circumstances, the whole transaction would probably take 2 months. But now because the lenders are swamped and appraisers won't leave their house, it will take closer to 3 months. So just give yourself ample amount of time. Hopefully you found this informative. If you want some recommended lenders, please message me. Otherwise, please follow me on J. Wong Homes Facebook page. I'll try to keep you guys updated on lending information as well as how the real estate market is doing during this time of chaos. Things are changing very, very rapidly day in, day out. The next video and the last part of this series will be on whether or not coronavirus will have any effect on your home value. So please stay tuned for that. Thank you.